Hi, my name is Grant Saunders. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a quick, free, cool-looking QR code that you can use for your business at events, to promote your business, for feedback forms, for anything that you want. Actually, you can use QR codes for absolutely anything these days. But to get straight into it, go to qrcode-monkey.com. This is a free website. There's no subscription or anything like that needed. If you want to upgrade, you can do, but some of these things are absolutely fantastic. And you can use these QR codes for a variety of different things, even to a Bitcoin wallet if you wanted to.
First thing I want to do is go to the QR Monkey node. As you can see, you can do different things: text, email, phone number, SMS text message, vCard, MeCard, your location, Facebook page, Twitter account, YouTube, the Wi-Fi details, event, which will even put the dates in the calendar, even a Bitcoin wallet. But you want to put the URL of your website where you want to send them to in here. www.grantsaunders is this one. Do remember to put HTTP at the beginning. So once you've got the details in there, that's where it will send it. Let's design the QR code now. You can change, as you can see on the right hand side, it is very black and white, very standard looking QR code. That will do just fine. But if you can go in here, you can change everything from all the colours, including the background colour and the foreground colour. I advise to keep this black and white as it is now. As you can see, you can change that to be in a black background with any colour foreground that you want. But let's go back to kind of keeping that black and white, but we will customise it again in a few moments time. Just get that back to black and white now. There you go. Anytime you do a change, if you click QR code, you can do. So we've got this now, so let's try it with a colour gradient. Now you want to keep these high contrast, but let's kind of go with our colours, which is black and purple. You can choose any colour you want for this, and click QR code and see how it's changed it. That's on a linear gradient, but it's nice to have it on a radial gradient. Look at that. So whilst we've got this as well, we can kind of go into that and give it some more little tweaks as well. You can change the custom eye colour, which is those in the corners and the borders around them. So let's go ahead and change one of the borders now. So you click in there, again you can choose any colour that you want. Once you make that change, click, see what it looks like. That's a bit kind of standing out here. Let's change the actual eye itself. Let's see what that looks like. There we go. Lovely. It's still looking a bit garish and not what we want, so we're going to change that back. Maybe move it back to how it was. So select eye colour, change that to being black. The centre of the eye colour, change that to being black again, and then if you click the QR code, you can see what those changes look like. There we go, that's starting to look a little bit better as well. If you copy the foreground colour, that changes things around like that. So yeah, it looks quite nice. That with this as well, you can add your own company logo to it. So as you do here, you just nice and simple, click upload image. Find the logo file on your computer. This is best like a small-ish file. Try and keep it below 2 megabytes. So yeah, select the file. We've got one here. It's got some text around the outside, but it doesn't really matter for the purposes of this. Upload the image, and yes, you can remove the background behind the image. I'll show you what that means in a minute. There we go, that's with the logo in the centre of the QR code, and as you see, it looks a little bit messy. You really want your logo to stand out, so if you remove the background behind the logo, it just pops it out like that, so it becomes more contrast so you can see it more. And you can go through some preset logos here for Facebook, YouTube, etc, etc. But let's really go down and customize this even more now. So you can go into this and you can change the types of dots for the body of the shape as well. So that's a standard looking QR code at the moment, but you can really kind of make it look a bit more, you know, unique to you. There's lots of little dots, diamond shapes. I do quite like this one, it's like small dots as well. But bear in mind, when this is going to be displayed, the better the contrast that it is, the better it's going to be for people with QR code readers when they just use their camera on their phone. That's quite a nice looking one. It always reminds me of diamonds. So you can change the shape of the border around the eye as well. Again, look at that, that kind of really makes it look a little bit more unique. There's lots of different ones to choose from as well. Kind of find ones that fit with you, and you can change the design of the eye within that as well. So yeah, that's kind of a nice looking thing, and have a mess around. Each time you make a change, click create QR code, and you get to see how that change has affected the image. And yeah, kind of go through, find ones that look right for you. I kind of like it to be a bit more solid. Again, it has that contrast element to it, but still looking a bit unique. Love it. There we go. And once it's done and you're happy with how it looks, then kind of slide it over to high quality, download as PNG, and then you've got that image that you can use on anything that you want then.